Before starting workshop, I would like to talk as a just for might be for few minutes only. Later on, I will discuss in details about his PMP journey. So, as a, if you are okay, if you are comfortable, just switch on your camera and just let us give you the congratulations. Let us share our energy. Let us share our happiness with you. Let's share our excitement with you because this is something really great achievement and everyone is looking for that only and that is only reason to be here, right? That is the last goal, to be here only, at least, right? In general there are lots of goals, but specifically I am talking that is the last goal, to be here, to be PMP certified, and that what you have achieved. So just for these people who are here, for them, would you like to share few of your experience? I mean, in just 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that.
Yes, so greetings of the day, and I thank Samir sir for giving me an opportunity to share my experience with all the gentlemen who are present here. So I can say that it was challenging because you are working for a project as a project manager, and you have very busy schedule. Even weekdays are also, and the weekends are also very busy. So dedicated time has to be given. This is not a small exam. It has a vast scope, vast syllabus. But yes, it can be achieved. This is what I realized. And then the 2 months period which I spent with you gave me a lot of insights of this project management, because we study in our colleges project management. But
Mhm.
here there is something different, there is something added value in this. So which I realized in my initial stage, I was having some different opinion or misunderstanding, I can say, that I did not took this course because I thought, okay, it may not be that much helpful, the time and the money you spend. So the entire scene has changed now, because the world is changing, and even a few months before I lost an opportunity because I was not qualified.
Mm.
And the question these higher management, senior management, they are expecting, the answers they are expecting are in line with the current market scenario, which
Mm.
if you are not trained in that direction, you won't be able to give them the satisfying answers, and then you struggle in your project. So this is, in short, I can say that everyone here should get this. Do not give up. And as you rightly said, sir, this is not a first step now. You When you get certificate, doesn't mean you achieved your goals. This is the
Mm.
start of your new journey, where you are qualified with this PMP certification, and you have to implement in your daily life. So this is what I can say. Thank you for the opportunity, and as per your guidance, I will move forward, and I request all my colleagues also to focus and try to achieve as soon as possible.
Thank you
Uh,
so much. Thank you so much.
at this stage, this is the only thing. There are a few points I note down. When you give me an opportunity later, I will be talking to everyone.
Sure,
Thank you,
sure,
sir.
sure, sure, sure.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much to be here actually, and just to give a little energy. This is something energy and inspiration to start anything. If you hear someone already achieved, so this is something give you different kind of confidence and give you different kind of energy, guys. And that's the reason
Yes,
I
sir.
just ask him, okay, just brief about your achievement. So that is
Yes,
really what he said. Yes, it's doable, it's achievable, and yes, before taking training, there is a different mindset. Once you are taking training, there will be different mindset. I mean, mindset is all behind getting PMP. It's not
right,
only
sir.
knowledge. It's not only knowing the contents. Your
Correct.
mindset matters most, right? And
True.
I'm in this industry, and I know exactly what all needed to SPMP certification, and that is what
Yes, sir.
I try to convey. I try to pass on to my mentees, whoever is joining my classes, right? So it is really something grateful, and it is really something glad feeling uh, once your any of the mentees clearing PMP certification. And the best thing is here, for in case of Mr. Ajay, is just he did it in the first try and just in the span of, as he mentioned, 60 days. So actively, he was part of PMP in 30 days. There he has spent 30 days or 35 days somewhere, and later on, self preparation he did just for another 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and in this period he did it. So that is something another, I can say, the great thing about his journey. So thank you so much for giving this brief, Ajay. And definitely, I was planned to be connected with you one to one, so that to record in details, because this is something people would like to hear with the people who is clearing the certification, because we also get to know what's the new things is happening from you guys, whoever is doing, because we are not going to exam, right? We also always excited to hear from all the certified people, so that we can know what something is there anything new happening in the exam, what all the contents are there, any complexities there, increase or decrease, what is the experience. So that's also we needed, so that we can uh, guide our people in a proper manner. So equally it's also important to hear you, not for the people but for me as well. So I will be connecting with you definitely, and I will record it. For
Sure,
now,
sir. Sure.
thank you so much.